We are Kentucky, Tennessee living, and we are here at Cypress Grove in Jackson, Tennessee. This is a free park for anyone who wishes to visit.
In our first walk around the Cypress Park, according to the Boardwalk map, the Raptor Center is 3/8 of a mile round trip. This includes round trip through Aerie Trail Raptor Sanctuary and back again. There are rest stop benches and a covered pavilion at the sanctuary. There are no restrooms along the boardwalk. Due to damage to the boardwalk from high winds from previous storms, the Jewel Weeds Trail to the Killdeer Pond was closed. Cypress Grove is located in the floodplain of the Fork Deer River and may be forced to close occasionally due to flooding. Notice the pet owners. Pets are not allowed on the boardwalk at the Cypress Grove Nature Park. They are welcome on a leash in any grassy or wooded areas off the boardwalk.
Cypress Grove Park, dedicated October 12, 1985, Mayor Bob Conger, Commissioner Ben Langford, Commissioner Johnny Pram. A portion of Cypress Grove Park acreage was donated by the Arnold family, Jimmy, Mary, Louise, and daughters Carolyn, Amy, and Anna. No pets, bicycles, or alcohol allowed on the boardwalk. This is a beautiful little quiet spot. There's a Nature Studies building and a Cypress Grove Nature Walk and Nature Park. Well, let's see what we got going on here, shall we? Okay, these are the bathrooms. There's a sign letting us know that park is now equipped with video surveillance. And we'll look around. Now, according to the Cypress Grove map, the boardwalk is a total of 1 mile to walk it. And this boardwalk goes down to a rest area. And you can see all of the wildlife that has been preserved here. There's a cute little ditch, I guess. Let's walk along the boardwalk. Now, 2 years ago, we had some tornadoes that went through here, and a lot of this area was damaged, and they had to rebuild some of this boardwalk because of it. This beautiful wooded area. Okay, we have a closed trail, but as you can see, the boardwalk was damaged, and that is the reason why the trail is now closed. But it was 1/4 of a mile around that direction, and it was called the Jewelweed Trail to Killdeer Pond. So out that direction is a pond. Which I have seen pictures of, and it is gorgeous. It's a shame you can't get out there right now. Aerie Trail to Raptor Walk. Possession and exhibition of eagles by permission of the United States Fish and Wildlife Service. Please do not harass or feed the birds. And my guess is this is the spot they take birds that are in need of help. I don't see any birds in this current shelter, so that is a good thing. Saying a great horned owl. So let's go back and see if we see a great horned owl in here somewhere. They like to be up high. Do not see one. Let's go on around the boardwalk. Leaves are falling. It's too early for the year. Too early in the year. Oh, we have a raptor. Oh. Let's see. I'm getting closer. go around. Let's see what kind of birds they are. They are the red-tailed hawks. From the red hawk cage, we're going to continue on with our journey. This one has a bird in it. And let's see what kind we have here. This will be the northern barrel owl. And let's look through here and see if we can't get a closer look at this. And he's up there, I think. So let's see if we can get him a little closer to view. You see he's turned his head a little towards us. So let me see if I can get a photograph. From the barreled owl, we will continue on with our journey on the boardwalk. And we're coming to a rest area. Oh, beautiful flowers. Let's see if we can get a close-up of these little red flowers. From the little rest area, we are continuing along the boardwalk to more raptor areas. And in this raptor area, it doesn't look like they have anything in there. As well as this one also looks empty. But that's not an entirely bad thing. It just means that no birds are currently injured. Let's see what was supposed to be here. And you can see the tree right there from the storm damage. And they had to replace a lot of the boardwalk. This was also supposed to be a red-tailed hawk, but it's not there. Now let's go over and see what this one was supposed to be. This was supposed to be a great horned owl, which they are magnificent creatures if you ever saw one. And their hoots at night are haunting. And whenever I see a great horned owl, I always think of the movie Secret of NIMH, because the character, Mrs. Timothy, actually came across a horned owl, and the horned owl, instead of eating her, helped her along her journey. Let's see if we can't get a little bit of a better picture of our red hawk friend here. He's actually a red-tailed hawk. Isn't he magnificent? Okay, as we continue along on our journey out, we are not actually that far from the airport in Jackson, Tennessee. So you may hear a lot of airplanes and helicopters and things like that going on. But I think this is kind of amazing that they have this out here. And this is all funded by taxpayers in Jackson, Tennessee. It is free to the public. Now all of this is under video surveillance, which is a good thing for safety reasons, for ladies who are by themselves, or any other reason. But as far as it looks like so far, this is pretty well handicap accessible. If you have to be on a wheelchair or anything like that, crutches, canes, looks like that it's pretty easy to walk and navigate. Now, I actually found this online by going to sites around Jackson, Tennessee, because in March I had mobility issues, and so I was looking for a place that I could come and still be in a wheelchair. I got better after my surgery and still had not visited this place yet. So I thought I would come and show you guys this little hole in the wall.
Fall and winter hours of operation are from 8 a.m. till 5 p.m. Spring and summer hours of operation are from 8 a.m. till 7 p.m. Open 7 days a week and holidays. Cypress Grove Nature Park is owned and operated by the City of Jackson, Recreation and Parks Department. There is no charge for admission. We would like to thank the City of Jackson and the Cypress Grove Nature Park for their hospitality while we visited the area. Thank you for once again supporting Kentucky Tennessee Living as we are discovering the parks and things to do in Kentucky and Tennessee.